I used AI to visualize my $1 million revenue year, but here is the crazy part. It didn't just make a pretty picture, it actually built a strategic roadmap to achieve it in under 60 seconds. Let's dive in. So let's start on Vengage, and I'm starting on the AI vision board generator. I've typed in a prompt here and it says the future vision board for my $1 million revenue year. Include visuals for high ticket client wins, global speaking stages, passive income streams, and a luxury home office. The tone is going to be aspirational and of course high energy. Let's press generate design and then it instantly gets to work. And in a matter of seconds, it generates a visual North Star for our business. Now we can see here on the vision board, we have the goal, we have the office that we talked about, the high ticket client wins with a picture, and passive income streams right there too. To make it real, let's go to AI tools and generate images. To make it real, I'm going to select this generic office image you can see here. And we're just going to press modify. Then we can type in this little box here for the AI to make changes. So you can see I've put hyper realistic modern glass home office overlooking an ocean. And now we can see the original was in a city and now they've changed it to overlook an ocean, which is fantastic. So it's now specific to my goal, not just a generic dream. Now, what is Vengage? Because we've been using this so far and you're probably curious. Well, this is a platform with over 100 free AI-powered design tools that bridge the gap between dreaming and execution. It's built for entrepreneurs and creators who need professional visuals without the design degree. Whether you need vision boards, strategic roadmaps, or infographics, you can register for free and unlock unlimited access to over 40 of these generators right now. They usually add new AI tools every week, so your toolkit for business growth is always expanding. Now, a vision board is great, but now I'm going to switch to the AI presentation generator to turn this dream into data. So the prompt we're using is a strategic roadmap presentation to achieve a 1 mil per year vision board. Include slides for Q1 foundation, Q2 scaling sales, and Q3 automation. Let's press generate. And in no time at all, you can see this is a complete game changer. It's translated my abstract goals into a concrete quarterly action plan. Now I'm going to be using the brand kit, and if we wanted that to match the other one we had, we can essentially just pick one here. And as you can see, it's going to shuffle that around and we can find one that works with our luxury style. So now we have two documents essentially, and both feel cohesive and on brand. Next, I'm going to highlight the sales strategy text and use refine here to improve the text. And then we have options here to refine the text further. We could put in a prompt, we can ask it to shorten it, elaborate, make it more professional, or just fix spelling and grammar if we were to write this originally. Let's go ahead and make this more professional. And now it has changed and updated the text. Now, real professionals make sure their plans are clear to everyone. So I'm going to File here and then check accessibility. From that point, we can press check my design, and then it scans my roadmap to ensure the text contrast is readable on any screen. This is crucial if I'm sharing this with a team or investors. Here we can see it's flagged one issue with the text sizes. So we can go ahead and find which places are struggling, and then we can up the font size of each of those very easily. And after we've changed that very easily with that very interactive and intuitive UI, we can see that this is a lot more approachable. Now, in order to export this, it is incredibly easy. We simply go to the top right here and press download. We can export in a PNG, PNG HD, PDF, PowerPoint, or even email HTML. So lots of versatility here. Let's go with a PDF. And if we open Acrobat, we can see we have our fully functioning PDF here with everything we designed in a matter of minutes. So stop just dreaming and start building. Click the link in the description to sign up for Vengage and use the code AIBrain50 to get 50% off your annual premium or business plan. That's going to be it from me. I will see you in the next video.